how to increase sales or attract the clients or the business that used to do amazingly well, and suddenly there is not as much influx of income, or the clients walk into your place but you don't feel like you're getting the same amount of sales. What else can you do? Are there any ways? Today I'm going to share with you a few tips that work great. So hi everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani and welcome to my channel Invincible Passion Talk Show. Today I'm going to share with you how, by use of these astro, numero and vastu tips, you can see the amazing changes and as well bring that increase of sales and clients and the growth as well into your business. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification as well. So now, if I talk to you in terms of being realistic, so I'll tell you, no matter which industry you are in, whatever product or offering you have, whether it's a virtual product or the service you are offering, or you have the product or you have a store or a business, whichever industry you are, the restaurant business or into the hotel industry, or you have the physical product, you are a small shopkeeper or the shop owner, whatever it is, the customer service is the number one thing. And most of the time you may have the great product, but if you do not treat your customers well, and this is, if you do not treat well, you will not see the referrals that come to you. And this is not something new. This is a saying, a old age saying, customer is the king. But what the change has been, these days the customers are demanding. You have seen you are not the only key player in the industry. So how can you separate yourself from your product? This is something you have to ask yourself. In order for you to increase your sales and the clients who come to you, they buy your services and become the repeat customers, you have to bring your USP, something additional, something what your competitors are not offering. Check yourself, check your personality, check your presentation, check your attitude, and do some thorough research what exactly they need that others are not offering, or what is missing in your product. Ask for feedback and reviews so that you can make those changes and make your product better. The quality is the key, number one. Now, if you have taken care of your quality, you have worked very hard on your presentation skills as well, and the whole atmosphere as they walk into your store, do they feel positivity? Is it vibrant and inviting? Have you kept your space dark? Nobody likes to walk into a dark space, especially when you want them to invest their money. Would you like to go into a place and eat where it looks dead and dull, or the owner is rude, or the service is pathetic? You will not. Same thing, put yourself into the shoes of your customers. What would you expect? Irrespective they are stepping in to invest a penny or 1,000 grand, whatever it is, you have to treat them similarly and make them feel welcome. For that, you need to make few changes, and that's what I'm going to share here. So if you have taken care of the back end work, your front end is inviting and appealing, your store is great, what you can do is check your northwest. Northwest is the zone of the wind or the connectivity from Vastu perspective. So this is the great area where you can display your business name or display your products or offerings. Whatever your brand is, if your business name, business cards are in this direction, or the sales brochures are in this area, or you have, let's say you are a boutique owner, you can make a showcase, a display case in there, display your products, or whatever industry you are in, make sure your marketing products are in there. If you keep your phone in there, your phone will constantly keep ringing, because that's the area which connects to the right people, brings more opportunities. Automatically that zone will start, it will get activated, and that's northwest zone. Next is the growth zone of growth, and that is southeast. Make sure you have not kept items in there that you don't want, or you have not put the trash in there. Remove the trash from that area, because that is the zone of growth. If you have kept it trash, guess what's happening in your business? There's no growth. So green, if you keep something there, and particularly bamboo, and this I'm talking about the business owners, and if you work from home, that one area in your home, that home office is your business, you do the vastu of that room itself, not the entire home. So if that room is your office, in that room you check where is southeast. So in that southeast you take care of, or if there is northwest, that is the northwest zone you are taking care of, not the entire home. But if you are an owner, business owner, where you sit, you can do this room, the vastu of that, and measure the northwest direction or the southeast, where is it. Or if you own the whole area, then check that northwest room, what you have kept there. Next is the southeast zone of growth. So it will be great if you keep 3 to 4 stems of bamboo plant in this area, because bamboo is the growth that is all year round. So you want customers all year round. So keep bamboo there and make sure it doesn't get stagnant water. Stagnant water stops the growth of opportunities and money, because water is wealth and money. North is the direction that brings you the more opportunities, and if you have the water stagnant, still water, that means opportunities have just stopped. You are where you are, there is no growth. So the north is also called zone of opportunities. In this area you have to make sure you have not kept water, or there is no yellow color, or there is no septic tank, or there is no toilet there, because you are flushing your opportunities. North is inviting the opportunities. So north has to be kept clean. The colors are blue, you can keep there, or black you can keep. Make sure your zone of opportunities is not blocked. Second, you can keep in northeast is again for the opportunities in terms of money also and growth. A great thing you can do is in northeast zone you can get a plant, amla plant, gooseberry plant, and keep it in there, and make sure whatever plants you're bringing, you take care of them, they don't die. Keeping dead plant is again blocks the opportunities. Taking care of northwest zone, taking care of north, and making sure northeast is clean and inviting. Now check overall as you walk into. Can you relate to a feeling you went to a nice restaurant or you went to a nice hotel, you felt amazing, you didn't want to come back, you want to stay there. What was it there that made you feel that? You have to incorporate the same feeling in your business. Whoever walks in your place, they should feel invited, they just feel like staying there. And how you can do that is make sure the center is clear. You do not keep any pots or plants or pillars or your desk in the center of any office, because the center is called the Brahmastan. The center is the control, command position. That is where the whole energies are balanced. You keep it in harmony and in alignment by keeping it open. Don't keep heavy objects in the center of your office or the business. That is a great way of inviting problems in your business. Other thing you can do is, after you make sure your service is great, your product quality is amazing, what you can do is use these switch words. The switch word is how you can use is, if you cannot put the green element in there, or there are problems going on, you can chant any number of times. Early in the morning is the best, after taking shower or as you get to your workplace, start chanting. The number is 419-48871. This is the switch word, 419-48871. You can chant any number of times in the beginning of the day after shower. Or you can also say 87 raise profits, or you can say 87 raise profits. It will start attracting more clients in your business. And if you forget in the morning, as you get to your work, any time of the day, if you remember, try to chant as many times you can, but at least minimum 5 to 10 minutes. And you can chant within yourself, you don't have to be loud. The other thing you can do is you can also say together, swarm, scheme, circulate, give, count, done, as you see on the screen, and I'll also leave the switch word in the description below. So any of these you can chant and say as many number times, but minimum 5 to 10 minutes. You will see the vibration, because subconscious doesn't believe in conflicts. It attracts a similar vibration what you are chanting. Is the conscious mind that questions. So once you have taken care of your zone, once you have started chanting the switch words, remove any resistance you have. Try to get practical. These set the intentions and your mindset, but your product has to be the best, your service has to be the best, and this is the only way you can get more repeat clients. Another thing you can do is, whatever your day of birth is, if you're born on 1, So the chair that you sit on, make sure that chair has the color, the cushion, or you can get a small towel or a cloth that covers the chair of light yellow color and sit on that. You are suddenly activating your lucky number. And if it is 2, you can get off white or white color and sit on that. 3, again you can get light yellow and sit on that. 4, the wheatish color you can get, but 4 brings delay. So if 4 has not been lucky for you, then check the number, the total of your date of birth. Or you can also use, if you are 4, you can still use light yellow color and sit on that. Number 5, you can bring the light green color and sit, put that cloth on the chair you sit every day and you sit on that. You activated your lucky number. And if you are 6, the Venus, any floral print or off-white or the jasmine fragrance in your store will also invite clients. Number 7, if it has been lucky for you, then only. Otherwise, I will say again, you put the light yellow or light green, it will do you good, or just use the light gray. Number 8, green or light yellow will do great. Number 9 is very light red if you feel the lack of confidence is the cause for your business not growing. But otherwise, I would say you again bring light yellow or light orange and put that cloth or the towel on the chair you sit on a daily basis. When it's dirty, wash it, clean it and sit again. So all these tips I have shared with you. Switch word, you can chant one of the switch word, taking care of your lucky numbers and taking care of Vastu directions will bring and invite the luck element and boost your sales and bring more clients. Do leave me the comments and share what growth you saw in your business, and if there are any other concerns with your business, try these and share your results.